Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this video. In this video, I will be teaching you something really interesting, and that is that how can you migrate data from your one website to the another. I mean from one domain to the other. For example, if you have left that hosting and you want to back up your data from there to the next one. So that I will teach you in this video. So pay attention, pay focus and learn this. Okay, so for this we will have to open this WordPress and it's in front of me, and for this we will need to install some plugins. Okay, so let's move into plugins first and add new. Okay, so let's type in here a plugin name, and that name is Updraft. Type it and search, and here it is. Install this now. This is called Updraft plus WordPress backup plugin. This is used for backup. Actually, this plugin helps to make a backup from the previous site as well, and to update that backup to the new site as well. Okay, so this is not a problem. This will help you from both sides. Okay, you will have to install this into both your previous site as well, from where you want to make the backup files, and to the next website as well, where you have to bring the previous data. Okay, so install this. I have started this installing, and you will have to wait because this will take you time to do, and this is in processing, and let it complete first. Okay, so I hope you like my videos, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, hit the bell icon, share these videos with your friends and family, and don't miss to watch the next upcoming videos. And this is installed, and so let's activate this. Activate blue icon, click onto this, it will be activated. This is activated. Okay, so now go into our settings, then Updraft plus backups option is available. Click onto this, and here it is almost opened, and you can see that there is an option to make backup now. So this icon means that if you have to make backup files from this, but I have already made from the previous site, but this will help you make the backup from this site if you have to move data from this site to the next one. But if you already have a backup from previous site, so you can upload that backup files. Okay, so that option is also given here. You can see upload backup files, so here drag, or you can select. So let's select them, and we are in our PC, and now let's locate them. Okay, so here our backup files are there. So let's upload our plugin backup first. So this is plugin.zip. You can see, so we are making a backup of plugins which we had in our previous site. Okay, so let it complete. This is just uploading. It will take you time, but you will have to wait. Stay calm and stay focused. Okay, so you can read here that it says you have not yet made any backups. It means that we have not made any backup yet, but as soon as this completes, it will be written here that you have made some backup. Okay, so let it just complete. I will show you that live. Okay, so this is completed, and now we will need to refresh page. Let's refresh. You can click there or F5. That will also help you in refreshing. Okay, so internet is slow a bit, so it might take time this time. It's just refreshing. Okay, so it's done almost, and now let's scroll down. Okay, so you can see it shows that we have made a backup, and there is an option of upload backup files again, because we might have some other backups as well. So I previously uploaded plugins backup, and now I'll be doing for themes. So let's do the theme ones. Okay, I'm uploading the themes backup, and then we will restore both of these together, and I will show you that live. I'm just making the upload for this, for themes, and this is 1 MB done, so let it be done completely. Okay, so this is almost done, and this is completed. Okay, so now we will again need to refresh. Click there or press F1, and now restore. Okay, so click there as well if you want, backup and restore, and now restore. Click on both because we uploaded both files, 2 files, themes and plugins, so we will try our best to restore both because we want these 2 only. Okay, so this is restoration progress, and it will take you 1 or 2 minutes, not more than this. Okay, so let it just restore files. Actually, there were many files, so it might take 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, not more than this. Okay, so restore is successful. We have made a successful restore. Now return to Updraft Plus configuration. Let's return there, click onto this blue icon, and we are back here, and you can see that as we go into appearance and go into themes, we have got our theme back. Let's activate that. This was the theme into my previous website, and I have just made a restore live in this video in front of you people so that you can understand properly. And okay, so here my theme is. Let's install and activate these. So this is how you can do. Okay, installed plugins. Let's go there and see. Okay, so these were plugins which I had installed in my previous website. So as soon as I made these plugins have come. Okay, this is premium theme, so I will need to buy it again, but rest I can activate anytime when I want. Okay, so this is not difficult, but you only need a plugin for this, for migrating data from previous website to the new one. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything so far. I hope you don't have questions, and if there is any, come in the comment section. I will help you. I will help you out with your problems, and do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. Feel free to ask for any other kind of videos if you want. Tell us in comment section. We will help you out with those problems as well. Okay, so like this video, share it with your friends and family, and thank you very much for watching.